it sounds like, and this is something I'm gonna be at this workshop, and I'm gonna be needing help because it's like disarming people.
100%. Um, and it's not even it's not disarming more than taking down that wall that you are putting in front of you.
Right.
You are literally stopping yourself from being bigger than you already are. Like everybody already knows your music, everybody already knows what you do. They
Yeah.
want to see it. And if they are seeing you for the first time, make them want to come back and see it.
Yeah.
Make always leave them wanting more,
Yeah.
but give them something to want.
Yeah.
I you know I want to
Yes.
see you performing. I want, whether you're melting a face off or whether you're telling a story that is going to make me bawl my eyes out. I want to feel something while you're up there, whether it's your energy, whether it's that you love to do this. But the last thing I want to do is go to your fan site and be like, "Oh man, not feeling good today." Like, it's
Right.
cool. You're trying to be closer with your audience, but kind of leave that to your personal stuff. Like, I want to see you perform.
People should expect to perform at this. You think?
Oh, I would think so, because
That's cool.
that breaks the nerves, right? You're
Yeah.
performing in front of people. You're performing in front of peers. Now
Yeah.
you're performing in front of people, and we are our own worst critics, right? So what if we open that up, right? If we open that up to other people and they say, "What can I do to
Right.
make this better?"
Right.
Because that's the other thing. There's constructive criticism, and then there's snarkiness on the internet where somebody's like, "Oh, I saw this band last night and they were reading lyrics on a iPad." Bleh. Like,
Right.
why wouldn't you just take that person aside? I've taken many musicians aside and gone, "Hey, if you memorize that song, you could connect with the audience a little bit better."
Right.
Just a
Right.
thought. I'll talk about all that too. I'm
Yeah.
not
That's great.
teaching anything. When you come to this workshop, I'm not teaching you anything. I'm literally giving you a different perspective on things you already know.
Right.
So don't come to this thinking, "Oh, he's going to teach me this," or don't come
Right.
to this thinking, "Oh, he's this pretentious asshole who's with a conspiracy band and he thinks he knows everything." Not
Right.
at all.
Right. No, I
This is
love
the
that.
first time that I am opening up why I'm happy to you, and what may or may not work for you. You take away and you give back. Maybe you can give me some pointers. I don't know.
Yeah, and we're gonna experience it together, and hopefully move your music forward.
Yeah,
Which
yeah,
is the
because it's all we got. How many of y'all panicked during the pandemic because music is all you had?
yeah.
There are
Right.
ways to get out of that rut,
Right.
right? There are ways to continue to put your music out there. I got
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. That's awesome.